Hi, welcome to another episode of My Home, My Sale and Homeowners Corner. Today we're going to be discussing real estate, mortgage, and investing acronyms. Master the language of real estate with this comprehensive guide. Whether you're navigating the buying or selling process, simply expanding your knowledge, this guide clarifies real estate terminology for home buyers, sellers, homeowners, and beyond. Let's first start with real estate. The acronym ARV, After Repair Value. BRRRR, Buy, Rehab, Rent, Refinance, Repeat. CMA, Comparative Market Analysis. DOM, Days on Market. EMD, Earnest Money Deposit. FSBO, FSBO, for Sale by Owner. GRM, Gross Rent Multiplier. HOA, Homeowners Association. IRA, Individual Retirement Account. JTWROS, Joint Tenants with Right of Survivorship. LTV, Loan to Value. MLS, Multiple Listing Service. NAR, National Association of Realtors. OBO, or Best Offer. PITI, Principal Interest Taxes Insurance. ROI, Return on Investment. SFR, Single Family Residence. TIC, Tenant in Common. USDA, United States Department of Agriculture. VRBO, Vacation Rental by Owner. W-2, Wage and Tax Statement. YTD, Year to Date. Zillow, Online Real Estate Marketplace. Let's move on to mortgage acronyms. APR, Annual Percentage Rate. ARM, Adjustable Rate Mortgage. DTI, Debt to Income Ratio. FHA, Federal Housing Administration. FRM, Fixed Rate Mortgage. GFE, Good Faith Estimate. HELOC, Home Equity Line of Credit. LTV, Loan to Value. MIP, Mortgage Insurance Premium. PMI, Private Mortgage Insurance. VA, Department of Veteran Affairs. And once again, PITI, Principal Interest Taxes Insurance. Let's move on to real estate investing acronyms. BRRRR, Buy, Rehab, Rent, Refinance, Repeat. Cap Rate, Capitalization Rate. COO, Certificate of Occupancy. DSCR, Debt Service Coverage Ratio. IRR, Internal Rate of Return. NOI, Net Operating Income. REI, Real Estate Investment. REIT, REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust. ROI, Return on Investment. MLS, Multiple Listing Service. By understanding these acronyms, it can be instrumental to anyone involved in real estate transactions, from buyers, sellers, to real estate professionals and investors. And let's remember, in the real estate industry, a lot of first-time home buyers, new investors, even new home sellers do not understand a lot of what these acronyms mean. So as industry professionals, we should clearly spell out or identify and define all these for our home buyers and our home sellers. This has been another episode of My Home, My Sale. Thank you.